Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, miss.
Okay, now we are going to doing one activity. This activity belongs to the lesson Unit 4. Okay. So what is the topic of the Unit 4 lesson? Enna
Parts
topic?
of the body.
Very good. Enna sir?
Parts of the body.
Parts of the body lesson we are learning. Okay, so in this activity we are going to learn about the type of dresses. Okay, so we are wearing so many type of dresses. So அந்த dresses பத்தி தான் இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு activity பண்ண போறீங்க. Okay, so I'll give some cards to your hands and I'm asking the question, what do you like to wear? What do you like to wear? So இந்த क्वेश्चனுக்கு தான் நீங்க இப்ப ஆன்சர் பண்ண போறீங்க. Are you all ready? Okay. Asya, what do you like to wear?
I like to wear frock.
Very good. Navanitha Krishnan.
I like to wear t-shirt.
Very good.
I like to dhoti.
Wear dhoti.
Wear dhoti.
Good. I like to.
I like to wear rainbow.
Good.
I like to wear belt.
Good.
I like to wear coat.
Good.
I like to wear cap.
Good.
I like to wear shorts.
Very good.
I like to wear scarf.
Very good. Scarf. Scarf நம்ம எப்பமா யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? In our winter season. So குளிர் காலத்துல நம்ம இந்த scarf யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்.
I like to wear shirt.
Good.
I like to wear skirt.
Skirt. Very good.
I like to wear two pants.
Very good.
And I like to wear two sari.
Very good. So these are all the types of our dresses. Okay. Okay, you are doing so good. Clap for yourself.